Hello everyone, it's Christina. Welcome back to Pick Up Vietnamese. If you're planning to visit Vietnam soon, then here are the 10 basic Vietnamese phrases for greetings that you should definitely check out. Are you ready? Let's start! Number 1. Xin chào. Xin chào. Or you can also say chào. Chào is a short version of xin chào. If you are an intermediate Vietnamese, then you might want to use the pronouns after the word xin chào to sound more like the local. However, if you just start to learn Vietnamese, then a simple chào or xin chào will definitely work for you. So one more time, let's say it again. Chào, xin chào. Number 2. Bạn tên gì? Bạn tên gì? Bạn is you, tên means name, gì is what? Bạn tên gì? What's your name? To answer the questions, you will say tôi tên là. Tôi is I, tên is name, là is a linking verb. So tôi tên là Hoa. That is my Vietnamese name. Hoa in Vietnamese means flowers. You want to know? So let's make a conversation. Bạn tên là gì? Tôi tên là Hoa. Let's go to number 3. Number 4. Cảm ơn. Cảm ơn means thank you. So when somebody says cảm ơn to you, you will say you're welcome or no problem back. Here's how it goes. Không có gì or không có chi. So there are two sentences you can use either of them. One more time. Không có gì. Không có chi. Here's the conversation. Cảm ơn. Không có gì. Cảm ơn. Không có chi. That's it. Let's go to phrase number 5. Xin lỗi. Xin lỗi. Xin lỗi means sorry. Phrase number 6. Bạn bao nhiêu tuổi? Bạn bao nhiêu tuổi? How old are you? So you're gonna answer tôi blah 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 tuổi. Tôi 20 tuổi. Tôi 30 tuổi. I am 20 years old, I am 30 years old. So let's listen to the conversation. Bạn bao nhiêu tuổi? Tôi 20 tuổi. Bạn bao nhiêu tuổi? Tôi 30 tuổi. Okay, so let's go to phrase number 7. Không. Không means no. Không, cảm ơn. No, thank you. Number 8. Có. Có is yes. Sometimes you're gonna hear yeah. Yeah is yes, but in a polite way, and you usually say yeah to the person who is older than you. If they are just younger than you, then you're gonna say oh. Oh. So it is yes. Yeah to the person who is older than you. Oh to the person who is younger than you. Có is yes. Có also means have, possess. So, number 9. Bạn nói được tiếng Anh không? Bạn is you. Nói means speak. Tiếng Anh means English. Không, yes or no? So, put them together, we have bạn nói được tiếng Anh không? Can you speak English? Bạn nói được tiếng Anh không? Được. Bạn nói được tiếng Anh không? Không được. So the last phrase today, you can use it to end the conversation. So can you guess what it is? Yes, it is. Bye bye. Here it goes. Tạm biệt. Tạm biệt. However, tạm biệt sounds a little bit formal to Vietnamese. If you want to be informal, you may say bye bye. Bye bye is actually like English, but to sound more like Vietnamese, you may want to say bye bye with the vowels to be lingered a little bit. So it's all about the vowels here in Vietnamese. Bye bye bye. So let's review the 10 basic Vietnamese phrases that you just learned today. Number 1, xin chào, chào. Number 2, bạn tên là gì? 3, tôi tên là. 4, cảm ơn. 5, không có chi, không có gì. 6, xin lỗi. 7, bạn bao nhiêu tuổi? Tôi bla 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 tuổi. Bạn nói được tiếng Anh không? Tạm biệt. Bye bye. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in more videos to pick up Vietnamese.